Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Virgo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Virgo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now Sun is moving in your second house in the sign of Libra. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation is seen from 12th house, your long-term investment, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house, your sleep pattern, your dreams is also seen from 12th house. So right now 12th house Lord is moving in your second house. Second house deal with your money matter, your savings, your bank account, your family lineage is seen from second house. Your speech, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. So right now your 12th house Lord is moving in your second house. So we can expect in the month of November you will spend a lot of money on unnecessary things because your 12th house Lord, house of losses, house of expenses is moving in the house of saving. Also we can expect good result if someone of your family member is living abroad. So because your 12th house Lord, foreign settlement Lord is moving in your second house, so we can expect good result regarding their money matter if they are living abroad. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of November. Sun will stay in your second house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your third house in the sign of Scorpio. When after 17th of November, 12th house Lord will be moving in your third house, then we can expect you need to be take care of your communication related matter because your house of Lord will be moving in your house of communication, house of efforts, and house of younger siblings. So especially you need to be take care of your communication related matter when you're dealing with your younger siblings, cousins, neighbors. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your 10th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Libra. Mercury will stay in your second house till 7th of November. After 7th of November, Mercury will move to your third house. And from third house on 27th of November, Mercury will move to your fourth house in the sign of Sagittarius. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, your fame, your work colleague is also seen from 10th house, your bosses, your authority in life, how far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your general health, your fundamental nature, your fame, and your character along with 10th house is also seen from first house. So right now your first house and 10th house Lord is moving in your second house. Till Mercury is moving in your second house, then we can expect good result regarding your work related matter and your personality related matter and your health related matter because your 10th house Lord, which is also control your first house, right now moving in your second house, and second house and 10th house, both the planets are connected with your money matter and your work. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter. After 7th of November, when Mercury will move to your third house, then your 10th house Lord will be in your third house. Third house also deal with your effort. So we can expect you will put a lot of effort in your work in the month of November. After 7th of November, when Mercury will move to your third house in the sign of Scorpio. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Venus controls your 9th house and your second house. And right now Venus is moving in your first house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is also moving. Ketu just moved from your second house to your first house after 30th October 2023. So right now Ketu is moving in your first house, and your 9th house Lord, 9th house deal with your father, your teachings of your father is seen from 9th house, your teachers, your elders, your advisor, your lawyers are also seen from 9th house, your long distance travel, your post-grad education is also seen from 9th house. Second house, as we discussed previously, second house will be your money matters, your family lineage is seen from second house, your food intake habit, your speech is also seen from second house. So right now, second house Lord and your 9th house Lord is moving in your first house, and first house Lord is moving in your second house. That's why we can also expect good result regarding your travel related matter in the month of November. Also, if you are in post-grad education, then we can also expect good result regarding your higher studies related matter because your 9th house Lord is right now moving in your first house. First house is a very important and beneficial house in everyone's birth chart. So right now we can expect you will get good result regarding your education related matter and your travel related matter in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Moon controls your 11th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 11th house. Means right now Moon is moving in its own sign. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of November, and on the basis of 6th November we are predicting for whole month. Because moon is considered as very fast moving planet, moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video for every house in a monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these houses, and moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem, and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mars controls your 8th house and your 3rd house. And right now Mars is moving in your 2nd house in the sign of Libra. Mars will stay in your 2nd house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Mars and Sun, both the planets will be moving in your 3rd house in the sign of Scorpio. So till Mars is moving in your 2nd house, and from 2nd house Mars is expecting its own house, means Mars is looking at its own house where Jupiter is also moving. So we can expect good result regarding your in-laws related matter, regarding your joint account, joint finances related matter with your in-laws. Also we can expect good result regarding research studies. If you are doing any research studies right now, because from 8th house we also see your researches, and right now Jupiter is also moving in your 8th house, and from 2nd house, Mars is also looking its own house, so we can expect good result regarding your 8th house related matter in the month of November. After 17th of November, when Mars will move to your 3rd house along with Sun, then as we discussed previously in Sun section, then you need to be take care of your communication related matter, especially when you're dealing with your cousins, your younger siblings and neighbors. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of November. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of November. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 2nd house, and Sun will stay in your 2nd house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your 3rd house in the sign of Scorpio. Second major astrological event is that Saturn is right now moving in your 6th house in its retrograde motion. And after 3rd November 2023, Saturn will turn into its direct motion in your 6th house. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 2nd house, and after 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will also move to your 3rd house in the sign of Scorpio. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 2nd house, and after 7th of November, Mercury will move to your 3rd house in the sign of Scorpio, and on 27th of November, Mercury will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fifth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 1st house, and Venus is just moved from your 12th house to 1st house on 3rd November 2023. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of November 2023 for all the Virgo ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.